Good morning, guys. Woke up to a full breakfast spread, a very authentic Lebanese spread, I feel like.
It's not what I want to do, but...
It's so cute. I really can't eat anything, poor girl. She made this Za'atar pie. She made a little pizza all early in the morning. I'm just going to sit here and drink my ginger shot. Anyways, we're going to enjoy breakfast, and then we're going to get ready, head to a coffee shop. We're going to make a pit stop at her warehouse, drop off some packages, and then just like chill at the beach. We'll see you guys then. Just got dressed. I'm actually wearing Zara's blazer. I saw the thing in a closet and I was like, oh my god, that's so cute, you should wear it. And she was like, no, you should. So it's so stinking cute. I think it's super old. It's from Zara and she sized up, so she got an extra large, so it's like kind of oversized fit, but it looks super cute on. So I'm just waiting on her. I think she's changing her outfit. I'm gonna quickly make some matcha. You guys have seen me do this a million times, but I just have a cup of ice. Pour some milk on top. She picked this up for me from Whole Foods yesterday. So nice of her. Okay, I'll put this back in the fridge. And I actually forgot the matcha in my room. Okay, where's my matcha packet? You guys have to see this room. My stuff is literally everywhere. Please ignore me. I'm not disgusting, but it's just been a very fast, on the go time since we've been here, so everything's been a mess. Okay, I got my packet of matcha and stevia, so back in the kitchen we go. I actually have to warm up some water. I feel like she's gonna kill me. I'm just gonna warm it up in the microwave, and I don't prefer that, and I don't usually do that, but I'm going to have to. What?
This look. Oh,
I'm vlogging. Oh, you look so cute.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is so cute.
Isn't it so cute?
Very cute outfit.
I really love this, but it's the same color of my leggings.
No, it looks. That's what I love about it. It's so like, I don't know. It blends very nicely. She's been wearing her fancy sandals, and it has been like hurting her toe. So what are you wearing today? Sneakers?
I have no idea.
That looks cute with sneakers or sandals. I love that fit. Very, very cute.
I'm hungry too.
I'm starving. I am. Do you want some matcha?
No, I don't drink.
You don't drink, but I ask every time. Okay, I pray right after you. So I have my matcha in here, hot water. That's a little too much. I have about that much hot water, about that much matcha. I'm gonna pour it into my hot water. I don't know why I'm showing you guys. You guys have seen me do this a million times, but I need to be quick because she's about to be done praying. Okay. 2 packets of stevia. Give it a shake. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Huh?
Again?
Yeah. I'm sweating.
I think. Are you going near hot water?
No. Make sure all of that gets dissolved. The last part, which is like the best part, you pour the matcha. And there you go. How pretty. Just give it a little shake. A little shakeroo. Gorgeous. Delicious. Perfect. Here's my outfit. A really good view. Super cute and relaxed. And then here's Zahra's outfit you guys saw.
You guys see me with all this light, but yeah.
Super cute. Okay, we're heading out. Bye! Okay, I'm just hanging my outfit. I'm going to take a picture in this hopefully at the beach. Grabbing my matcha. Okay.
Hello. And then I got the towel. I got a bag. I got some water. Some
She's
stuff.
such a mom.
I'm ready. Wait. And then I got her umbrella. Because we don't want to get sunburned.
Oh my gosh, she is such a mom. This whole trip, she's been acting like a freaking mom. She's like, are you okay? Do you need this? Do you need this in your bathroom? She comes and she cleans the bathroom that I'm staying in.
I forgot the card game. I'm gonna go grab it real quick.
Phase 10?
Yeah.
Okay. Girl, come back fast, please. It's so hot. Oh, how do I turn the AC on? Max AC. Fan speed 7. Yes, please. So I actually ended up changing my outfit. I actually got into something that's a little bit more lightweight. We're going to the beach first. And yeah, we're just hanging out. We got all of our equipment with us. Beach bag, a little umbrella. I'll show you guys Laguna Beach. What is this called? Pier Village?
It's just called like Laguna Village, I think. Yeah. Laguna Village, I think. Yeah.
So cute. We're gonna grab food and then walk over to the beach, which is like right down there. We found a spot. We laid our food out. Have a little towel on the floor. We can't put our umbrella up though because it's just way too windy, but so cute. Hi guys!
Hey guys! So a lot of you guys asked us questions on our Instagram story, or Joshua's Instagram story. So she's gonna pop open some of these questions and we're gonna go through some of them.
The first question is, how did you guys meet? You guys make such pretty best friends.
So, do you want to say this?
I don't remember how we met, so you can go
Okay,
ahead.
I'll tell you. I remember exactly how I met. So I started kind of like blogging in 2018 or so, and I was getting used to, or trying to get used to Photoshop and editing my photos and stuff like that. And then one time, I think I suggested to Zahra that I know how to change a picture, like a color of a background. And you were like, hey, I took a picture here. Can you make this background like nude? I think it was like pink or something. And I tried to do it for like an hour.
And you sent me like 3 variations of it.
And I was like, this is what I was able to do. And then we just slowly started to like just kind of slowly talk. And then I think in the past year or so, we got like just a little bit more closer.
But it was like strictly through DMs still, right?
Yeah, just like DMs. And then we started FaceTime and phone calls, and she got to meet the kids and stuff like that. And that's kind of like how we met, just basically social media.
The rest is history. Yeah, like we just started talking on Instagram, and then we got closer and closer, exchanged phone numbers, and then
FaceTime here and there. Which was like, yeah, literally.
It was really organic, and I feel like a lot of people are like shy and intimidated these days to meet people online.
Yeah.
But I feel like when you find somebody who has like very similarities and like interests and stuff, it's just so organic.
Not just that, like, and like also another thing, like, you know, like I don't really have that many friends, and like I'll be honest, and that's totally okay, because like I'm my own person and I have, you know, a certain vibe that I like to kind of be around, and subhanAllah, like, you know, like Jay like fit that, you know, like Jay, like not necessarily like Jay fit that for me, but like
we were similar.
Yeah, like it blend, like we blend well, like we bond well, if that makes sense. And that's kind of like how our bond or our friendship kind of grew into her, you know, even coming to visit me. Like I've been here for 2 years, so
on other lives and that.
Yeah, I know.
But one of the other things that we bonded on was the fact that we were both divorced.
Yeah, we're both divorced, and I think we talked about this. Yeah, similar age group. I have kids, you don't, which is totally okay. But like, I mean, just like, I mean, we just had like a lot of similarities, like, and we don't really discuss too much stuff about our personal life, but just kind of like, you know, a little bit of things here and there, just to kind of like, you know, bond on, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next question.
That's the question answered. Okay. Do you have a boyfriend?
Me? I don't have a boyfriend, no, astaghfirullah. I have, you know, met people and tried to meet people, and I am in a relationship, yes.
I do not have a boyfriend.
Yeah, Jay does not.
You guys need to get your own talk show.
Oh my goodness. You know how many times we've talked about doing IGTVs and talking about we just don't fall through, and I feel like it's kind of my fault because
No.
I
It's
kind
both of us. It's both of us. Our schedules never align.
Yeah.
And then we just get carried away with like
Yeah.
other conversations. Not a question, but you guys look like sisters.
This is like the 1000th person in the past 3 days that has messaged me and her. You guys are like twins. You guys look like sisters. Yeah.
Somebody even asked us while we were walking down Flower District. They like
The first
somebody
day.
stopped us the first day.
Are you twins?
Yeah, and she said yes.
And I was like, yeah. We were hot. It was like 90 degrees, and I just wanted to get in the car and just turn the AC.
That's so funny. Somebody said, do you ever plan on launching your own clothing fashion brand? She did.
Yeah.
And I don't know, I feel like it's so much hard work. I see her hustling all the time. Even on this vacation, I feel like she hasn't gotten a real vacation out of it because she's been so busy. So.
It's definitely not for everybody. It's definitely something that takes you away from everything for like quite a while. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I'm very grateful to where I am. Very thankful to everything and all of the opportunities that are surrounded for me and stuff like that. But yeah, you guys can check it out, ZahraTheLabel.com.
Yeah, I'll put it down below. It's so nice. Okay, how does your differences in relationship status affect y'all's relationship? Not at all. Because you have a significant other, I don't, and we still bond on the fact that you have him because like we talk about him.
Yeah.
It's so fun.
Yeah.
I know you're both far from way different areas of the world, but you could pass as sisters.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, if you could only have 3 skincare makeup products, what would they be and what brands? I'm gonna let you answer this because I feel like she helped me with my makeup this whole trip. Go for it.
So the top 3 skincare products that I recommend are Zahra and I, which is some type of retinol, and then moisturizer, something like CeraVe, Cetaphil. And then I was telling Jay, if your skin feels really dry and you really want to quench its thirst, get a tub of Aquaphor, and every few days just like put some Aquaphor on your face. Not Aquaphor lotion, but the actual jelly. The top 3 makeup products I would say are concealer from Kosas. It's amazing. And
your mented
my mented powder that I apply on my face, and then of course like like a mascara.
Okay, how do you both keep your makeup so glowy and flawless all day long? Funny story, the first day I was here, my makeup melted off and I was like so irritated. I kept retouching all day long and she didn't at all. And I was like, wait, I need to see you apply your makeup the next day. And so she showed me how she did it. She actually did my makeup like both days. So what do you use to keep your makeup on all day long?
So good question. Basically, as I was mentioning before, is just like apply concealer in like the under eye area. You don't want to add too much. It's going to get like creasy and like too cakey when you want to apply your powder. And then apply it in like dark spots on your face just very lightly. And then what I do is I grab my beauty blender and I damp it up a little bit, put it in my powder, or my translucent powder, and then I don't apply it directly on here. I actually just do like 1 dab, 2 dab, and then I'll slowly like kind of like start applying it like so. And then when I'm done kind of doing my face, I'll grab a setting spray and I'll set my face and I just kind of like wait for it to dry, and I'm literally set all day. So that's kind of like how we get or keep our skin to kind of like
and I feel like that powder trick that she shared was like the best part because that really did keep my makeup
I did share it on my Instagram stories. I think there's a highlight if you guys want to like check it out.
Yeah, I definitely recommend. Okay, the rest of the questions are pretty much repetitive, so I'm going to do the last one is, how long have you guys known each other?
We've known each other since 2018, but didn't really connect to like a year and a little bit, I would say.
Yeah, so probably like about 2 years now.
Yeah, probably like almost 2 years now. So thank you guys for asking these questions, and thank you, Jay, for being here. I love you, and I can't wait to see you again, inshallah, when I'm like inshallah like a little bit more settled and I have like a whole team working for Zahra the label.
Oh no, it was so fun.
But yeah, it was so fun having her. You guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog.
Yeah, we'll see you guys later. Check out our socials because we're going to be posting a lot of content that week.
Bye guys,
Bye.
Love you.